so this exercise is called the Pallof Press. It's a great anti-rotational exercise. So basically the premise of the resistance is trying to pull you sideways, and you're trying to resist that using your core to maintain your position. So we have a band here. You could have a cable machine with a single handle, something like that. Anything that's going to be trying to pull you sideways. And so the easiest position is from a standing position. So the wider the base of your feet, the easier it's going to be. And the closer your feet are together, the more difficult it's going to be. So there's a lot of different ways we can make this exercise easier or more challenging, kind of depending on where you're at. So the basic position is we start sternum, and then we're going to bring our arms straight out. So you can imagine as your arms are straight out, you're going to have to work a little bit harder to maintain your position. Shoulders stay nice and level, which is right here, and hips stay nice and level. So I don't want to see somebody with a bunch of tilt either way. And we have a nice neutral posture, which is where we want to be. Beautiful. So let's make it a little easier, Charity. Let's go feet a little bit wider. Can you confirm it's easier?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. Let's bring our feet together. We'll make it a little more challenging.